Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So we have an enhanced risk of severe weather that has been issued for portions of central and eastern Illinois in the orange shaded area today. A slight risk for eastern Iowa, most of Illinois, all of Indiana, western Ohio, and southwestern Michigan, and a marginal risk from the south up through the Tennessee Valley and areas of the upper Midwest. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location today, we've had a significant upgrade in our tornado threat for today, centered around Peoria and Springfield, Illinois, where we have a 10% SIG. We could be seeing EF2 or stronger tornadoes, unfortunately, this afternoon, especially in this yellow hatched area. So make sure you are preparing for numerous tornadoes and maybe one or two EF2 or stronger tornadoes if you live across the yellow hatch shade area this afternoon. We have a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location across most of Indiana, western Ohio, the majority of Illinois, eastern Iowa, into Chicago in the brown shade area. Make sure you're on guard for scattered tornadoes if you live across the brown shade area. And an isolated tornado is possible in the green shade area across portions of Kentucky, western Ohio, southern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa, and far eastern Missouri. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location today across this yellow shade area. Make sure you're on guard for scattered damaging wind gusts if you live across the yellow shade area. This includes Chicago, Fort Wayne, Indianapolis, Louisville, Evansville, Springfield, and Peoria. And looking at our large hail threat, we have a 15% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the yellow shade area, including cities like Chicago, Peoria, and Springfield, Illinois, with a marginal hail threat in the brown shade area today. So timing out our storms, storms are going to initiate early in the afternoon, around noon across southeastern Iowa, producing some isolated large hail and damaging winds. And then as we go into about 3 to 4 o'clock, this is when our tornado threat will begin to ramp up across central Illinois. Could be seeing numerous tornadoes, especially as we go into about 4 to 5, 6 o'clock in the evening across central Illinois. And then going into around 7 o'clock, we could be seeing tornadic supercells or a line moving through Chicago, moving into western Indiana. Some semi-discrete supercells are possible as we go into about 6 to 7 o'clock in the evening. 8 and 9 o'clock, more of a damaging wind threat, but we could be seeing isolated spin-up tornadoes as well in this line as it moves through Indiana, southwestern Michigan into 8 p.m., and then going into 9, 10, 11 p.m., going into western Ohio, our severe threat should diminish. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you are preparing for a localized potential tornado outbreak today across areas of Illinois and Indiana. Please stay safe, my friends.